Hi, my name is Crysta Ryder. I'm the owner-operator of Busy Broom LLC. It's a residential and commercial cleaning business. We moved here about 5 years ago, my husband and I and my kids, for a better job opportunity. I really love it here. It's a great place that you have shopping and you have a lot more activities, but you still will run into someone you know at the grocery store. My kids really love it here. They've met a lot of new friends. They get to do hockey and baseball, and there's the Y. And I really like Cheyenne too because you're really close to Fort Collins if you want to run down to do a day of shopping or go to the spa. Or you can go an hour and a half to Denver. There's a ton of concerts, or the Rockies or Broncos game, or the Avalanche game. And then Laramie is just over the mountain, 45 minutes to watch a UW football game or basketball game or whatever you want to do. You're also pretty close to the mountains, the Happy Jack or Vidavoo. Overall, I think Cheyenne's a great place to live because it's a little bit bigger, but you still have that small hometown feel of Wyoming.